Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Bumpboxx Retro Pager. Now, this is a portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. Now, you can pick this one up from Bumpboxx.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $90. Now, it comes in one color, black. All right, so let's go through all of the features. You got Bluetooth 5.0. You got a 30 feet Bluetooth range. You get an FM radio. You got an LED flashlight. You get a built-in speakerphone for hands-free calls. You got an MP3 player TF card slot. You got a 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. Now, the battery life on this is 7 hours, and it takes 2 hours to fully charge. And you also got 7 days of standby time. And it's also IPX6 water resistant. All right, so all of that for $90. Let's see what it is. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. All right, here we go. Bumpboxx Retro Pager. Now, if you're over 40 years old, you're going to love this. Let's see, did we miss anything? Made for sport, hand-free calls, FM radio, TF play, voice prompts, auxiliary input, flashlight, IPX6 waterproof. Okay, here we go. Now, inside the box, check this out. This is going to be your Bumpboxx Retro Pager. Now, as a dude that actually owned a pager, I can tell you this is the exact size and weight of an old school pager. So that's why I said if you know anybody over 40 years old, this is a blast from the past. They're going to love this. Let's see what else you get. Now you got your micro USB charging cable. Got a little lanyard loop. I remember back in the days, people used to have the little loop on the beepers. Got that on deck. And you got a 3.5 auxiliary cable. And of course, usual books and shit. Plug them and file them to the side. Here we go. Bumpboxx Retro Pager. Now on one side, this is where you're going to put your loop at. Let's open this up. Now this IPX6 splash resistant. So you got a little flap. Underneath the flap, this is going to be a TF card slot for MP3s. Got a micro USB charging slot. And your 3.5 auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth devices. Or if you just want to use a phone that has a headphone jack. On the back, this is your clip. Bumpboxx logo. On the other side, this is your button for your flashlight. Now check this out. Look how bright this flashlight is. Now I want to show y'all something real quick. Let me pull out a phone. Let's see, do I got an iPhone on me? Yep. Check out the iPhone flashlight and the Bumpboxx flashlight. All right, just to get an idea, if you got your phone, pull out your phone right now. The light on the Bumpboxx is a little bit brighter than your cell phone flashlight. Super bright. This is dope. All right, so when you get in the car, you drop your paraphernalia, pull out your beeper, use your light. You can easily find it. On the front, got your menu button. All right, multifunctional. There's your power button. You got volume up and down. All right, shoes, keep it pushing. And that's pretty much it. Let me grab a phone. We'll pair this up, and we'll do a little sound test. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. First, for size comparison, here's the Retro Pager. Here's an iPhone 11 Pro Max. You see the size difference? This is nice and small, extremely lightweight. All right, so now for the pairing process, we're just going to hit the power button.
Power on.
Got your voice prompts.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, it's automatically in Bluetooth mode. Let's wait for it to pop up. There it is. Bumpboxx Pager.
Connected.
Just like that. All right, so here's how I'm going to test this out. First, I'm going to play some music using an iPhone 11 Pro Max. And you know, this is some of the best phone speakers out. Then I'm going to play the same song using the Bumpboxx Retro Pager. All right, so here we go. Max volume, iPhone 11 Pro Max.
18.
heavy. Yo, what you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Ready to clip the shit popping, we right back in the mall. Feeling of the six drop when it was actually yours. It sound like hip hop when it was actually raw.
Now here's the Bumpboxx retro pager.
Of 18.
Yeah. That shit was. Queens. Yo. Drive heavy. What you doing? Yeah. Hot. Yo. What you know about playing the block with a pack in your drawers? Ready to clip the shit popping, we right back in the mall. Feeling of the six drop when it was actually yours. It sound like hip hop when it was actually raw.
Bro, can you hear the difference? One more time. Here's the iPhone.
I'm just a young trapper with a passion to floss. Plus I got a knack to get the packages lost. All borders, I be ballin' 4 quarters. Trying to find a purpose in the streets, scratch the surface.
Here's the Bumpboxx.
Just a young trapper with a passion to floss. Plus I got a knack to get the packages lost. All borders, I be ballin' 4 quarters. Trying to find a purpose in the streets, scratch the surface. I see me driving.
This is so dope.
Black heat, black Suburbans. My ex-trapper got a job, so shit ain't working for her. If she don't pay a mortgage, then it's curtains for her. I told her welcome back, then put a Birkin for her.
This is sick. Check this out. Now you can leave it flat on the table like this and let it rock out.
Fell in love with the game and the pain that come with it. They in love with the fame. I just want riches, came back for the gang. Told my hitters come with us. Don't
Rocking this on your waist.
And Rolls Royces come with them. If these niggas want these chains, tell these pussies come get 'em.
This is sick.
Back this 40 cal, them hollow tips gon' front flip 'em. This rap shit is confusing. It was trapping all the music. Masters or the users. Ratchets or computers, sucking traffic to a meeting, or traffic with a Ruger, politicking with the demons who actually maneuver.
Well, you should. Let me tell
Let's
you
go.
a secret. I can play as if I was deaf and dumb. I can play if you had a gang.
All right, check this out. Now you can control your music and your phone right from the pager. So if you hit the power button once, that's play and pause. That'll also answer them phone calls. If you want to raise or lower the volume, you got volume up.
Yo, what you know?
You got volume down.
Block with a pack in your drawers. Ready to clip the shit.
If you want to skip to the next song, long press volume up. If you want to reverse, long press volume down. And if you want to activate your voice assistant, press the menu button. What's the weather for today? That's pretty sick. Now, if you double tap the power button, it'll call your last contact. That's dope. Now, you also have an FM radio, which I'm not going to play because I don't want to get copyright strikes, but you just hold down the menu button.
FM tuner.
Activate your FM radio, then use plus and minus to go to the different stations. Now, say you want to watch a video on your phone and you don't want to use the Bluetooth connection, you can use the 3.5 auxiliary input. Now, I got the official Flossy Carter sound test. All right, shout out to my man, Mark Rubier. We're going to put the phone on the dock. Let's get max volume. We're going to plug in the headphone jack. Plug in the 3.5.
Line in.
Line in. Let's get maximum volume. Here we go. Here's the sound test.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla. Ha! How's the sound? White shoes, how's the sound on it? How's the sound, baby? That's a sound test.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rebier. Now, just for demonstration, watch this. Now we're going to play that again, just from the phone speakers. Listen to the difference in sound.
Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound.
Watch this.
How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
Let's plug it back in.
Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the basement?
Hit play.
How's the treble?
Look at the difference in the sound.
Sound now. How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking.
As small as this speaker is,
Bluetooth mode.
it packs a punch.
Connected.
All right, so now let's test the speakerphone. I'm going to call Amaya. Bumpboxx pager.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What up, girlie?
What's up?
What you doing?
You know, just chilling.
Just chilling, being a fatty?
Of course, I'll be.
Of course, of course. All right, check this out. Now, I'm making a video for the Bumpboxx Bluetooth pager speaker. How do I sound?
Oh, I love that thing.
You remember this, right?
Yes, I used that on the picnic.
Yes.
Fire.
Yeah, this is hard. This is hard. All right, well,
Sound clear.
I sound clear?
Yes.
You sound nice and loud. I like this.
I love that thing, and it's so like small, so you can take it anywhere.
Yes. See, and now you see the struggles of what we had to go through wearing these beepers back in the days. I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I love it.
All right, girlie. Well, I'm gonna text you in a minute. Let me finish this video.
All right. Bye.
All right. Bye. Speakerphone works perfectly fine. All right. So overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Bumpboxx Retro Pager a major, major, major go. If you're an old school dude, over 40 years old, and you had a pager, you're gonna love this. All right, all of my old school dudes and all y'all old school ladies, I'm giving all of y'all these for Christmas, Mother's Day, Father's Day. And on the side note, even little kids gonna love this. Now, I made my daughter walk around with one of these for a whole day because I wanted her to feel the struggles of what I had to do when I was her age. By the end of the day, she was like, Dad, you know I'm keeping this, right? We went to a restaurant. It was kind of late at night. There was really nobody there but us. I had this on the table. We was playing music. Even the waiter was like, I need this. All right, the waiter was an old school dude. He was like, I need this. The nostalgia factor on this is through the roof. Not to mention, it actually sounds great. You got a speakerphone, flashlight, FM radio, MP3 player. This is a certified win. Anyway, Bumpboxx Retro Pager. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I'll see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat. Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize.